In 2025, iPershub is radically transforming digital marketing, requiring SEO specialists and business owners to adapt their strategies. This is not just an evolution, but a true revolution in the way users interact with information. EA overviews in Google, as well as other iPershub systems such as Microsoft Bing Search, Perplexity EA, and Arc Search, use natural language processing and large language models to provide context-dependent answers. This significantly affects how users find information and interact with search engines. This development leads to the rise of so-called generative searches, where users receive comprehensive answers directly on the search results page without visiting websites. This creates new challenges for traditional traffic acquisition strategies. Traditional SEO, which relies on traffic, is facing serious challenges as traffic becomes increasingly scarce. In this new landscape, the importance of brand and incremental value is growing, requiring a rethinking of marketing approaches. That is why measuring incrementality is becoming critically important for understanding the true value of marketing efforts. This makes it possible to assess the real contribution of each campaign to the overall success of the business. Incrementality is a measure of the true impact of a marketing campaign on specific results compared to what would have happened without it. It helps to determine the additional conversions, sales, or revenue that were directly caused by your marketing activities. The key metrics here are lift, meaning the increase in the metric due to advertising, and iROAS, which stands for incremental revenue on incremental spend. These indicators allow you to accurately assess the effectiveness of your marketing investments. In 2025, there are 5 proven approaches to measuring incrementality that help marketers adapt to the new realities of AI search and effectively evaluate their campaigns. The first approach is conversion lift, which measures the additional conversions caused by advertising campaigns by comparing a test group and a control group. The test group is exposed to the ads, while the control group? No, which allows you to identify the net effect. Google Ads and Meta offer tools for conversion lift that allow you to assess the direct impact of advertising on purchases and website visits. These platforms provide detailed reports that help marketers optimize their campaigns. The second approach is Geo-Experiments, which divide geographic regions into test and control groups. This makes it possible to measure the impact of marketing interventions in real-world conditions, minimizing external factors. This method is confidential and does not rely on cookies, allowing you to assess incremental lift by comparing key metrics such as orders or sales. It provides reliable data without compromising user privacy. The third approach, variance reduction or CUPED, is a statistical method that reduces variance in A/B tests. This increases the accuracy of experiments, allowing conclusions to be drawn faster and with greater confidence. CUPED uses data from the previous period to increase the sensitivity of experiments, allowing conclusions to be drawn faster and with greater confidence. This helps to detect true treatment effects by reducing statistical noise. The fourth approach is MMM 2.0, or Bayesian mix modeling, which incorporates prior information and a quantitative assessment of uncertainty. This method provides a deeper understanding of the effectiveness of marketing channels. This method offers a more reliable foundation for making marketing decisions by integrating historical data and taking various factors into account. It allows for forecasting results and optimizing budget allocation. The fifth approach is private area diagnostics, which is critically important given the increasing demands for data privacy. This enables marketers to collect and analyze data while complying with all regulatory requirements. Google Analytics 4, Consent Mode 5.2 allows websites to adapt data collection based on the user's consent choices. This provides flexibility in data collection while maintaining privacy. This helps comply with privacy regulations, such as GDPR, by allowing user behavior tracking even if they do not consent to cookies. Thanks to machine learning, the system can estimate the behavior of users who declined cookies based on data from similar users who gave their consent. To measure the incrementality of wipe search, first establish a baseline revenue level without any marketing efforts. This can be done using control tests to have a clear starting point. Next, identify the levers of effectiveness by conducting tests on the channels with the highest spending to determine which ones generate the most incremental revenue. This will allow you to optimize budget allocation and maximize return on investment. Implement incrementality testing using methods such as conversion lift, Geo-Experiments, and MMM. A combination of these approaches will provide a comprehensive assessment of your campaign's effectiveness. Use private area data analytics, such as GA4 Consent Mode 5.2, to ensure user consent compliance and support data collection. This will ensure regulatory compliance and maintain user trust. Finally, continuously analyze the results of incrementality tests and optimize your marketing strategies based on the data. This will allow you to respond quickly to changes and maintain high campaign effectiveness. To adapt SEO and content for AI search, focus on zero-click visibility. This means your content should be optimized for direct display and AI-generated answers. Create high-quality content that demonstrates expertise, authority, and trustworthiness to rank well in AI search results. This will help your content be selected for AI overviews and other features. Structure your content for featured snippets to increase visibility in AI-generated summaries. Use clear headings, lists, and short paragraphs that are easily extracted by search engines. Understand user intent and optimize your content to directly meet those needs. This means creating content that answers specific questions and solves users' problems. Use semantic keyword integration by adding related terms and phrases to provide richer context. This will help search engines better understand the topic of your content and its relevance. Monitoring the impact of AI overviews is crucial. Track queries where a summary appears and compare CTR positions with queries without a summary. This will allow you to assess how iROAS affects user behavior and the effectiveness of your content. Adapting to AI search and measuring incrementality is not just a trend, but a necessity for success in digital marketing in 2025. This will allow you to remain competitive and effective in the face of constant change.